Here, this is called dailymotion videos. If any video, how to will share on the your website, how to will share on your website. Here we can use it for two options. One is called share. Here will share option will be Facebook and Twitter. Facebook and Twitter. When I'm clicking for Facebook, any content sharing will be using for hashtag copy. Next, you can select by your Facebook page. Post it. Click for in this option. This will be sharing for your Facebook and Twitter. Suppose you can sharing for any link. Just copy link. You can promoting for Twitter accounts and LinkedIn. Using for Instagram. Anything will be possible. Or else you can use option call is anyimage.io. Anyimage.io. This tool purpose of any video we can promoting multiple images. Just go to your browse image, select your own image, so select this too small. After add your URL, select here. Hyderabad. Select your details. Finish. Coming to Facebook sharing. Share on Facebook. Post to Facebook. We are using for anything two versions. Dailymotion below. Option call is Facebook and Twitter. Now we'll be using for one is a Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Google Plus. Okay, check the post. One is a Twitter, LinkedIn and go for Google Plus.